Determine the simple statements in each compound statement. We know that the statement is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both true and false. Next, a simple sentence is a statement that conveys a single idea. What is compound statement? Compound statement is a statement that conveys two or more ideas. We know that we connect simple statements with words and phrases such as and, or, if, something, then, and, if, and only if. Creates a compound statement. George Bull used symbols such as P, Q, R, S, and so on to represent simple statements, and we used symbols like for and we use symbol conjunction. This is symbol for or, this is operator for disjunction. If and something, then we will use symbol. Sometimes we have one line, sometimes double. It depends of book. And if and only if is the same situation. Sometimes we have in book one line on both sides arrows, or we have doubles line with arrows on both sides. And for simple sentence we use P, Q, R, S. Let's read first example. We have if it's raining, then there are clouds in the sky. We have phrase if and then. What else? It is raining is simple statement. We can say that it is true or not. So let's put that this is our P. First simple statement, and next we have there are clouds in the sky. We can say always it is true or not. So this is statement 2. Simple idea. This is our next simple statement. So we have in first example two simple statements. First, it is raining, and the second is there are clouds in the sky. Next example, we have I swim if and only if the water is not warm. In this example, we have phrase if and only if. This phrase collects two simple statements. First is I swim. This is true or not. So this is simple statement. Let's put that this is our P. And the second we have the water is not warm. We can always say that this is true or not. So this is our second simple statement. I just put that this is Q. Okay, next example. Michael is driver and he is poor. We have connecting word and. And first sentence, Michael is drive is sentence because it's true or not, we can say. So this is our first simple statement. I can write this is our P. And we can always say that it is true or not if we know Michael, of course. And he is poor. This is next simple statement because has single idea. This is our Q simple statement. So we have in the third example, first simple statement is Michael is driver, and the second he is poor. And the last example we have 6 is an odd number, or 6 is an even number. We have connecting word or. First we have 6 is an odd number. We can say that it is true or not. So this is simple statement because has single idea. Let's put that this is our P. And next we have 6 is an even number. Again, we can say that this is true or not, if you know definition of even number or odd number. But you can always check this if you don't remember. And 6 is an even number is another simple statement because contains single idea. This is our Q simple statement. So in the last example, first simple statement is 6 is an odd number, and second is 6 is an even number. So this is my solution.